Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You'll start by launching an app where you type, then open the Samsung keyboard. Press the microphone icon to begin. You must have microphone permission enabled, otherwise the button is disabled. Once the mic lights up, speak naturally and in short phrases so punctuation works. Make sure your language pack matches the language you'll dictate, since recognition relies on that model. If you have background noise, move closer to the phone. Clear audio yields far fewer errors and faster transcription. Once done with the basics, go into Samsung keyboard settings to refine recognition and behavior. You can choose language variants, enable auto-punctuation, and download offline speech data. This helps when you're offline or on weak networks. Make sure voice input is set to Samsung or Google as you prefer. Each offers different accuracy. Also customize the keyboard toolbar so the mic is easy to reach, because quick access reduces task switching and keeps your flow. Test with a 10-15 second phrase to confirm. To finish, review the text and correct any misheard words. Say punctuation words or tap to edit, then continue. If speech isn't recognized, make sure airplane mode is off and the app has microphone permission. Switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data sometimes restores the cloud model. If problems persist, clear the Samsung keyboard cache or update the keyboard app in Galaxy Store. This resolves model corruption. One key troubleshooting tip: reboot the phone after permission changes to ensure the key.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.